Let's start. Today we will see how to use the Z-index in the CSS. Z-index can be used to stack the HTML elements one over another. An important point to be noted is that the Z-index only works with positional and flex elements. So you must provide the position of the HTML element. Let's see the code. In the body tag, we have an image tag. And then we have a paragraph tag with some text in it. In the style tag, we have written the CSS. For the image tag, we have set the position as absolute. And then we have set the Z-index as 1. And for the paragraph tag, we have set the position as absolute. And then we have set the Z-index as 2. The HTML element with a higher Z-index will be stacked upon the other HTML elements with a lower Z-index. So here, the paragraph tag has the higher Z-index, so it will be positioned above the image. And the image would be behind the paragraph tag. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, because the paragraph tag has a higher Z-index, it is stacked above the image tag. Now let's change the Z-index values. Now we have set the Z-index of the image tag as 2, and the Z-index of the paragraph tag as 1. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, because the image tag has a higher Z-index, it is stacked above the paragraph tag. So that's it. That's how you can use the Z-index to stack HTML elements one above another. Thank you.